That urge to grab your phone, it's not you. It's a chemical loop, and you can break it in 120 seconds. Here's the truth, no app developer will admit. Your brain spikes dopamine every time it anticipates a notification, even when there isn't one. That's why you check without thinking. The craving isn't for the phone, it's for the chemical hit you expect. The fastest way to kill that craving: interrupt the spike before it delivers the hit. Don't resist that fight is rigged against you. Instead, use a 2-minute dopamine flush. Step 1. Put the phone in another room, out of sight. Step 2. Move your body. Walk, stretch, push-ups, anything movement releases norepinephrine. Step 3. Breathe slow, 6 seconds in, 6 seconds out. In 120 seconds, the spike collapses. The craving dies. Dopamine isn't pleasure, it's pursuit. Break the pursuit before the reward, and you starve the loop. It's the same principle used in addiction clinics, but nobody applies it to phone use until now. 2 minutes. That's all it takes to own your attention again. Start today, before your mind isn't yours anymore.